Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I figured I will film a New Year's Eve makeup look because it's pretty much like right on the corner. And I tried to do something different with my eyes. You guys will see how that went in a video. I just kind of feel like lashes always just bring everything together. But if you guys want to see how I completed this makeup look right here for New Year's, then of course, let's get started. Alright, so starting off, I'm just going to take my Broadway eye primer. You guys know I got this at Dollar General. I just love this eye primer because it's super affordable and it get the job done. I told you guys it's a great dupe to the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, so definitely check it out. I want to say I got it for all of maybe $3, so it's super inexpensive, but just going to take that to prime my eyes. Alright, and then for my eyeshadow look today, I don't really know what I'm doing yet. I kind of have a slight idea of what I want to do, but I'm not I'm not for sure exactly how it's going to come out, because I feel like when you have an idea in terms of like a look in your mind and then the actual execution of it, it's sometimes two totally different things. So I'm going to take the Juvia's Warrior eyeshadow palette. I have used their other eyeshadow palette and it's super pigmented, so I kind of know what to expect in terms of this one. I haven't actually like played with it yet, but the other palette was super intense in pigment, so I know this would pretty much be the same way. So here is what the eyeshadow palette looked like. If you haven't seen it before, it is so freaking bomb. If you're the kind of person who love gold eyeshadows, like bronzy eyeshadows, your browns is definitely going to be the palette for you. So it's more like your neutral slash glam eyeshadow palette, so I thought it would be the perfect thing to use for my New Year's Eve makeup look. So let's go ahead and dive into this color right here. It's going to be this light brown color. I'm just going to put that in my crease as my transition color. Alright, I'm going to dive into my Profusion eyeshadow palette. You guys know this palette is pretty much like holy grail status for me. I got it at TJ Maxx in a actual like kit with some other products. I want to say the kit cost me all of $3.99, and this palette is pretty much like a hidden gem. It's definitely one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes because I love the mattes in this actual palette. So I'm just going to take this palette and dive into this orange color right here just to add some of that orange into my crease as well. Still using the same brush. Is going to be the Lab blending brush. I got it at Walmart. I don't think they sell this brand anymore at Walmart, so you probably got to get it online. If I can find it, I'll definitely have it linked below, but it's definitely my favorite blending brush. It's super affordable. It easily fits right into the crease and it just pretty much does the work for you. So if I can find it online, I will have it linked below, but it's definitely like one of probably like my best blending brushes in my collection, and I wish I could actually find it in stores. I can buy some more, but just probably got to get it online if it is online to buy. I'm gonna go back into the Juvia's palette one more time and just take that same brown color. Just going to blend out my edges between the two colors just to make sure they are blended seamlessly. So just gonna blend those edges out one more time. All right, going back into the palette for my lid color, I want it to be a gold. I'm thinking it's either going to be this one or that one, because one is more like a yellow gold, the one is more like a bronzy golden kind of color, but I want to include like this silver glitter on top of it to kind of like, I don't know, just do like mixed metals, if that makes sense. So I'm thinking this would probably work better with it, so I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Alright you guys, I'm just going to keep this shadow like halfway in my eye, because on the end I'm going to put like a dark brown on my outer V plus like right here on my lid. So I'm not taking a shadow all the way out, just kind of like halfway on my lid. All right, going back into the palette, I'm just going to take the dark brown color, which is this one right here. I'm just going to place that in my outer V to deepen up the look and just kind of put it on my lid as well. If my light keep going in and out, y'all, I apologize. I'm in a different like setup, so I'm just trying something new. So in my viewfinder, it looks like it's going dark. So if it's going dark, I apologize. Hopefully it's not. But if it's going like dark and like back bright, I apologize. Alright, next I'm just going to take the NYX liquid crystal in the color called Gunmetal. Is this really pretty silver color. I'm just going to put it right on top of that like bronzy color, and hopefully it looks like how I want it to look and it doesn't look like stupid, because that would be horrible. Alright, so my camera died on me, so let's finish off the other one. It's not turned out how I want it to look, but I can't go back now, so it's what it is. It's not exactly how I want it to look, but what can I do about it now, because it's already on my face. I feel like maybe next time I'll just do like the silver outline in the top of my like crease. Like just maybe next time just put it like right here versus like all over the lid. But I wanted to do like a mixed metal vibe type of thing versus doing like gold and gold. But it's not looking too cute, but it's okay because we're gonna make it work. We're gonna just keep going. I'm pretty sure once the lashes are on, it'll look much better. All right, so diving into the face, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer. It's going to be the rose one. You guys know this product is holy grail status for me. On all of my products, I will have it linked below for you guys. This product is amazing if you have dry skin, oily skin. It just feels like pretty much like water on your face. So it's a really good face primer. Next, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Water Spray just to spray my face. Alright, moving into foundation. I have the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I have mine in the color called Nutmeg. I figured since I was doing the whole New Year's Eve vibe for the makeup look, definitely want to take a nice glowy foundation, so that's why I opted for this one. It is so bomb, y'all. Like, if you didn't try this product in 2019, you definitely missed out. So definitely get your hands on it for 2020. It is an amazing foundation, super easy to blend. It's more medium to full coverage, but it's definitely medium coverage starting off. So you can easily build it up to full coverage if you want to. So yeah, it's probably one of NYX's like best foundations in my opinion that they came out with. Alright, and then for concealers, I have the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I have it in the color called Golden Caramel. Y'all, this concealer is bomb.com. It's definitely like a full coverage concealer. I love it better than the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. This one is so much better. Next, I'm going to take my NYX No Filter Face Powder. You guys know I love this product. I'm just going to put it as my face powder for today. For bronzer, I'm going to take my e.l.f. bronzer in Deep to just put some warmth into my face. You guys know this product is pretty much holy grail status. It's super inexpensive. You can find it at Target and I think Walmart, all for like $1, $2 if I'm not mistaken. So just going to use it as my bronzer for today. Blush, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Color Icon in Blazen Berry. It's this really pretty like deep mauvey color, but it's a very like subtle color for a blush. There's a hint of like shimmer in there, so I wouldn't go too heavy-handed because again you do have shimmer in there, so you don't want to have that plus your highlighter. So just do like a slight wash to your cheeks and you'll be good to go. Alright you guys, so diving into my highlighter palette, I'm just going to take my Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, which is going to be this one right here. You guys know this product is pretty much like holy grail status for me. I killed this product in 2018. I didn't use it as much in 2019 because I was trying to use other products, but it's still pretty much a holy grail product for me. Just going to take that really pretty like bronzy color just to highlight my face.
it all. I can't get enough of your love, I swear. It's my drug. And every time I hit it, you take me there. Calling out my name.
Alright, and then for my lip product, I do have 3 lip products in front of me. I have the LA Colors Lip Liner Pencil in the color called, what color are you? Chocolate. Then I have my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in the color called Sun Nudes. And I have my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the, okay, never mind. I went ahead and grabbed my NYX gloss in the color called Brown. Just want to let it line my lips. Just want to do a nice neutral lip because my eye is so bold. Don't want to compete with the eyes.
Tell me, but girl, I swear, it's my job to make it so no other nigga can't compare. Oh, we don't mind. We slapping on your ass and pulling your hair. You still my mind. We can do it anywhere. Flick it with the wrist and you hit me with that potion. Fiji water got a nigga wide open. You the shit, baby girl, I ain't joking.
Alright, you guys, this is pretty much the finished completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please be sure to give it 2 thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.